guys, it's your girl Tiff, and today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial, but a New Year's look, and it's this one right here. I actually really love this. I will say if you struggle with liner, it might be a little bit challenging, but you don't even have to do this part right here. Just stick with the normal liner. I promise you, just this glitter part and the eyeshadow part, super easy. Trust me. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look right here, keep watching my video. So I'm just going to go in with my Morphe translucent eyelid primer, and I'm going to apply that all over my lids. Going in with a 35D Morphe brushes palette, I'm going in with a dark silver and I'm applying that all over my lid. So with this, we still want to apply a good amount, not too much, but it also doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to be covering it with some glitter. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced glitter glue and I'm applying that all over where we applied the gray shadow. So for the glitter, I'm using Rockin the Night Sparkling Powder by Jace, and I'm just applying small amounts on my eyelid. The technique I'm using is I'm using the glitter glue first and applying that on my lid, and then grabbing the sparkling powder and doing that technique throughout the entire time. So right now we don't need a lot of glitter, we're just kind of creating the base of it because we are going to be doing the liner after this and kind of creating where everything's gonna go. For a liner, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Jet, and we are going to be creating an exaggerating wing liner. So this is the part where it gets a little bit challenging if you're not good with liner already. This is going to be a little bit hard because it was hard for me. Creating the normal liner was normal for me and kind of easy, but it was creating the inner liner. That's when I personally started struggling. But right now I'm just doing the basic wing liner, and I honestly don't stress about it too much because I don't try to make it perfect. This is what I do. I make my liner and then I go in with my foundation and I clean it up. And that's the trick. And you'll see in a moment how I do that, and it's literally life-changing, I promise. So now with like a tiny concealer brush, I'm going in with my foundation and I'm just cleaning off the excess of my liner. And what I'm doing is I'm cleaning up my liner and then wiping on a paper towel all the excess I got on my brush. So this is when I start incorporating my inner liner, and I will admit it was hard. I am not good at inner liner, but I kind of tried to keep that same mindset of how I do my normal liner, is like, let me just kind of wing it and then I'll clean it up. And that's basically what I did. So I'm just creating my inner liner and my little, I don't know what that's called. I don't even know what to call it. We'll call it a mini liner cut crease, okay? And so yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm doing the liner, cleaning it up, and then now this is where I'm gonna start adding some of the glitter glue and add glitter to the inner corners of my eyes and fill in any empty areas. So I know it looks like I finished this look in like 2 minutes, but I promise you it took a long time. But now it's finally time to move on for my face. And for primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And I love this primer so much, but Jesus Christ, it breaks me out like crazy. For foundation, I'm going in with Barcelona from NARS, covering up the pimples that this primer gave me, and just doing my foundation like normal. For concealer, I'm using medium to ginger from NARS, and I'm applying that under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. For contour, I'm using my Conceal Me palette, and I'm going in with this bronzy color, and I'm contouring my cheekbones, my temples, my nose, my jawline, and that's it. For highlight, I'm going in with the Dripping in Gold Stick Highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm applying that on my cheekbones and on my nose. For blush, I'm going in with Bare Minerals You Had Me at Merlot, and I'm just applying that on my cheeks. Now I'm officially done, and I'm just going to set my face with the e.l.f. HD Translucent Powder. And first I'm setting my under eyes, then I'm going to set my creases, and finally set everything else because we are basically done. We just need to add some lashes, mascara, and do the lips. Before we do all of that, I'm just doing some final touches on my liner. I wanted to add a little bit on my inner corners at the bottom, so that's what you see me doing here. For lashes, I'm going in with the Ardell Wispies and the Duo Glue. I'm just going to curl my lashes so they blend in with my fake lashes. And after I apply my lashes, I do like to add some liner on top to cover up the glue and even the little tiny clear strips that the lashes come in. So I like to do that and then add mascara to blend it all together. For my lip combination, I'm using a brown lip liner and then going in with the Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick with some Fenty Heat Gloss on top, and literally that pulled the look together because it looks so good having a bold shiny eye with a nude lip. Oh yeah, and don't forget to put mascara on your bottom lashes because it makes a big difference. It makes a big difference in your look, in your mood, and everything. And it just slayed. Like, look at me. Who am I? Am I about to be on Vogue? Like, I killed this look. It was challenging, but it looks amazing. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this New Year's look. It's super cute. I will say it's not that easy if you struggle with liner, but you can achieve anything if you put your mind to it. I hope you guys stay safe. I hope you guys had a nice Christmas. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do for my next video, but just stay tuned. I'm trying to be a little bit more consistent now, and I've been doing good, so hopefully I can keep that going. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I'll be back with more videos.